Start recording. Okay, so we just built the aircraft, Roy and I. Yeah, it's a little experimental jet craft. There's 3 little jets on it, and we're learning. We're learning, right, Roy? We're learning how to build things.
Yeah. I think the back wings are a little high. Don't you think?
No, I think they're where they should be because we don't want the
Oh,
engines
okay.
blowing on the wings, right?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
And actually, if anything, we should bring them a little higher, but I think they're fine like that.
Yeah, they're fine. I think they're fine.
Now we just need one more control surface, if possible.
Yes.
But it looks like this control surface is a bit too big, so let me see. Yeah, I guess we can put it here, yeah. Looks like we can fit it. Look at that.
That looks good.
Now we right-click on it, and this is going to be not for pitch, not for yaw. Okay.
Well, where are we going to fly it?
We're just going to fly around. We're going to see how it works. Now, this one is going to be for roll, not for yaw, and not for pitch. This is going to be for not for yaw, not for roll, but this is going to be for pitch.
Why?
Yeah.
What's
Well,
pitch?
pitch means the nose goes up and down, right?
Oh, okay.
And down here, this is for roll. So roll means it tilts left or tilts right. And then this one is going to be for yaw, which means the nose will move left or right at this point.
Good.
So we're
Settled?
gonna launch with 1 engine, and then 2 engines if we need it.
1 engine?
Yeah, and 1 engine's gonna turn on first. So, and this is going to be our flap. Let's see, we have here action keys. And
Those are very good.
I see here, this is custom 1. And this custom 1 is going to be deploy, extend. It's going to be toggle deploy. And this is going to be for when we are in for landing, it's going to be our flaps. Okay?
Okay. Let's go.
We don't want this authority limiter. We don't want it to be too much, so we're going to reduce it to 12. And these have already been reduced to 4 each. Okay. So what are we gonna call the spacecraft? What do you want to call it? Chloe, you have a name for it? You want to name it something?
Maybe I think.
Does Chloe have a name for it?
No, he doesn't.
Think of a name for our first aircraft that we built. What's your favorite animal?
Number 1 jet.
Number 1 jet? Okay.
1 jet.
Number 1.
Jet 1.
Oh, jet 1?
Yeah, jet 1.
Jet 1. Okay, there we go.
Because it's the first one, it's a jet.
Made by Julius and Royal, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
there you go. Now we can launch.
Now we're gonna save it first. And we need a
Save it.
pilot. So let's go ahead and pick our pilot.
Me.
And
It's
we don't
me,
want,
huh?
yeah, we want Royal to be the pilot. Okay.
Yeah.
So before we do that, remember mission control. What were the 2 missions of mission control?
Launch our first vessel and it gathered data from Urban.
Oh, we're unable to launch
Why?
because we have too many parts. Where's our part list?
Too many.
Yeah. I don't know.
Too many parts?
Yeah,
I don't think that's too many.
I know. 30 is our limit. Where is the parts list?
That's a lot. That cost is a lot. 1840. I mean 1840.
Yeah, 18,400. Yeah.
Yeah, 18,400. That's a lot. No one even has that one. But not in a game. Real life.
Yeah.
Me.
Where's the parts list? Can you help me find the parts list?
Parts list? What does it say there?
I'm looking for the parts list. How many parts do we have in this thing? Oh, I think I know.
Maybe you should.
If I click load and I go to Jet 1, it says 31 parts. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's 31 parts, so that's easy. We can just take off one of these barometers. So we don't need 2 barometers, we'll just go with 1.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
And we don't need 2 thermostats, we can just have 1 thermostat. Right?
Yeah, good enough. Right?
There we go.
Okay, that's.
And then close, and now we're gonna save and launch. Here it goes.
What? Yeah! Don't let it explode! Don't explode! Don't explode!
That's
I
right.
don't see anything.
It's loading.
Don't. Oh,
Oh, look. It's Royal Kerman. Now we have some missions to do. They want us to put on the brakes. They want us to launch our first vessel and collect. So they want us to transfer. They want us to do a crew report.
Okay, crew report.
So you want me to click on crew report? Oh, we don't have. Oh yeah, we don't need an antenna. We don't have an antenna on the ship. We forgot to put an antenna on it. So we'll do that next time, right? So we can't send it to them. So we'll just have to keep it and hand it to them in person. The crew report, okay?
Okay.
And we have some other science stuff.
You're good.
So for example, we have observe mystery group. So see how it just opened?
Yeah.
Now, should we keep the experiment?
I don't know, but.
Yeah, we're gonna keep the experiment, right? And turn it in later.
Okay.
Good. And then we have the temperature. Should we log the temperature?
Think so?
Of course we should. Okay. So it's science, a lot of science stuff. And should we?
A lot of science, yes. And we should.
So the KPA, log pressure data. Yes, we're gonna log the pressure data. Toggle display. It is 312 degrees Kelvin. So let's see how hot is. Do you know how hot? Do you know how 312 degrees Kelvin is?
I don't know. I don't. Yeah. Hard.
It's hard to transfer. I'm gonna Google it real quick. So 312 Kelvin is, wow, 101 degrees Fahrenheit. So these Kerbals like to live hot. It's 101 degrees Fahrenheit. So they like to live in a hot environment.
Oh, good. I don't like to live in a hot environment.
Yeah, I don't as well. Should we observe the mystery goo? Oh, I see stuff inside.
Good.
The materials show little signs of change, though one of the samples appears to be judging you silently.
It's inside there.
Okay, so we did the science stuff. We're gonna close the doors, and we're gonna get ready for takeoff, right?
All the doors.
Okay.
Because we don't want anything to.
Let's make sure our gear works. Ready? I'm gonna test the gear.
Okay.
Okay, gear has been tested. Okay, and the gear's coming back down. Okay, good.
Good.
The gear works. Now let's check our roll.
Good?
Nope, not good.
No?
Because this is... There we go. And it seems that we have reaction wheels here, so we can turn off the reaction wheel. There we go. So the reaction wheels... Oh, there's a lot of things we need to fix. So we need to fix this aileron 1 here. Aileron 1. Because it's moving when it shouldn't be. See how it's moving? It should not be moving. And if you look, the wheels are moving, and we don't need them to move as well. The back ones, right? We only want the front one moving?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
So we're going to have to go and fix that first.
Fix everything before we launch it.
And let me
Right.
check. Let's check pitch. Good. So the pitch is working. See pitch here. But I think we're gonna put
Yeah.
pitch to maybe 8 instead. Yeah, that's better. And now we're gonna check yaw. Okay, we're gonna change the yaw instead of 4. We're gonna change it to 8 as well.
There.
Okay.
That's good.
And we're gonna test the first engine. So we're gonna go to down here. Ready? We're gonna put it 10%. Okay, and the first engine is working. And let's try all the engines. Good. Let's take off the brakes.
Okay.
Let's turn on SAS, reaction wheels. We can pilot only, yeah. Normal. Should we? Oh, you want to try to take off?
Yep. Uh-oh.
Here goes. We're attempting to take off.
Yep. Uh-oh. Ah!
It's not.
Finally.
Oh, it's taking off.
Good. We're going back down. Can you turn on the engine?
Yeah, they are on. We're on maximum. There we go. We did it. Wow.
Turned it.
Where do you want to go?
Whatever you want. Can this float in the water and be covered?
Yeah. No, because the intake's on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
So where shall we go?
Maybe on an island.
Oh, it looks like your
somewhere?
character's scared. Look at him. He's scared.
That's funny. Maybe we should turn it into an island. Maybe and then land on it. You think so? Or higher?
Wow. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh, the moon.
Look at the moon. Moon. See it. We're going higher than that.
We're trying to turn around.
Can you get out of here? I really want to get out of it. Uh-oh, we're upside down. It's funny.
Should we go in for landing?
Uh-oh. Yeah. Is it out of
Crew report.
Is it out of
Yeah, so-
liquid fuel?
No, we got
Yeah.
fuel. See on the left? You have the fuel bar right there.
Okay. Yeah. I think we should land. Maybe you should turn a little and then don't crash into the ocean. But how do you get up? You can't
Uh-oh. We need to get up.
turn on the engine.
No. We got it. Our speed is fine. All right, so going in, we're landing gears, going down.
That's good.
Oh.
Ah! You.
We got some crosswind. Come on, touch. Okay. Okay, we're trying to slow down. Ooh,
Okay.
it's hard. Oh, I think we lost the wing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we lost the wing.
See that?
Wow.
I think the person.
That's
You're going fast.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. The cool thing is we get to revert. So we're gonna revert flight and we're gonna go right back to the spaceplane hangar and we're gonna fix the things that were broken. Remember?
Okay.
So
I
first
remember that.
here, this was on roll. We don't want it. So we turn that off. And then we want to turn off the wheels. We don't need these on, right? We don't need them
Yeah.
turning. So steering direction, no. We want steering disabled. Okay, it's been disabled. Good.
Good.
And we want.
Do you have a parachute?
We don't have a parachute, and we don't need one.
Oh.
Remember? But we want to go to actions, and we want to set up our abort button. And our abort button is going to be to turn off the engine, shut down the engines, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's gonna do. And the abort button is gonna slam on the brakes. Sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
No. Come on. There we go. And brakes. So the abort button will turn the brakes on. let's see. Custom 1 is, so it's going to be custom 7. It's going to be toggle deploy. And now this is going to be, 1 is going to be to turn off these 2 engines. There we go.
Okay.
And the back one.
Yeah.
We can toggle them. So the number 1 key is going to be to turn on and off the engines.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Did we fix everything? I think we fixed it all, huh?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, good, good.
Now we can launch.
I think now we can launch, yeah. So this one is number 7. So let me write it down here in the notes. 1, toggle, what does 1 do? And then 7, so, oh, engines. And number 7 is to toggle the flaps. There we go. And now we can save our aircraft. And are you ready to fly?
Yes.
Alright, so we want the pilot to be Royal Kerman and launch. Okay.
You done, baby?
Yeah, I'm done. Thank you.
It's going backwards.
Wait, I forgot to add a radio antenna. Do you want to add an antenna?
Nah. I don't.
Not right now?
Good, but let's go back.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's go back.
Let's test out this.
Revert flight to spaceplane hangar, and let's put an antenna on it.
Where's the antenna?
So the antenna should be under communication right here. So we can do a small range antenna, or we can do the commutron, which I like, but this one only works
You like it?
when it's extended. So here we can add this one right here, and then and then we will.
That looks funny.
It does, but watch. It's gonna look cool. Okay, now we need to adjust it now. Just a little bit.
Maybe you should put it in the more front. In the more front. Like more of left.
I think right here is fine. Look at that. Oh, so it's pointing a little bit down. Oh.
Yeah.
There we go. Trying to get it just right. Oh. Almost. Oh. I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
So we're just going to hide it just a tad bit. So we're going to go here, click on it, and we're going to stick it back just a tad. Like that. That looks a little better now.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Uh-oh. Bad.
Oh, that's even better. Like that. What do you think?
Yeah, I see it. See it even better, yeah. The black screen.
Yeah.
Because it blends in.
Yeah, that's very nice. Okay. So now we have communication, and we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna add this communication, and maybe we'll just add it right to the bottom, but we're going to have it face a different direction. Not like that. Like that. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good. I think so.
And that one will work all the time. This one will only work when we're landed. So now we need to go to action keys and our communication. So 1 was toggle engines. 2 is going to be toggle comms. 3 is going to be to toggle science. 3 toggle science. And then 4 is going to be log science. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna click save. Now we need to actually do it. So 1 is for the engines. 2, what did I say 2 was for? toggle communications. So we
Okay.
click on the communications. And it's going to be toggle antenna. And then 3 is going to be, what do we put for 3? Toggle science.
Toggle science.
So we're going
I didn't
to
log
toggle
something.
doors. Toggle. I can't see.
Ah, you're in the engine. I mean,
Yeah.
where are you?
Yeah.
They're running.
So, huh? Yeah, I suppose. I'll probably stop after we fly this airplane around. So probably
Okay.
another 15-30 minutes. Okay, so we got toggle this door. I suppose we can toggle this door as well, but I don't want to toggle it right now. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to open this door. Go back to here. And I'm going to... Number 3 is science stuff. So here we go. Toggle covers. And now I'm going to click... Oh, let me move this out of the way. I'm going to toggle display for the barometer. And toggle display for the thermostat. Thermometer, excuse me. And
Okay. Thermometer. Yes, thermometer.
and then number 4 is going to be to log the data. So here it's going to be to observe material bay. Here it's going to be to observe mystery goo. Here it's going to be log pressure data, and and then this would be log temperature. And then we can click on here for science as well, and we can do toggle. I mean, wait a second. We can do collect all. No, we don't want to do that. We can do. Okay, I guess we don't have the option. Okay, that's fine. It's only for science, anyways. So I was gonna say do a crew report, but we can do that at another time.
Yeah.
We can do that manually. Okay. So we got that. Now we're gonna right click and we're going to close the door. We'll just have to open and then close the door manually. So now we can save. Let's just make sure. So here it says number 1 engines, number 2 comms, communications, number 3 science, number 4 log science, and number 7 flaps. So we have a lot to check when we're out there.
Yep, you're right.
Okay.
You're definitely right.
So that. What am I doing now? Oh, that's right. So let's just make sure that's correct. So 1 engines, 2 antenna, 3. Yep. And 5 is going to be, so I'm going to click here. 5 is going to be transmit data. And this one is going to be transmitting data as well. That's number 5. So here, let's go back here. Let's type. Come on, it's not letting me type. There we go. And number 5 is transmit data. Right?
Yeah.
Save.
And number 6?
We don't have a number 6. It's empty.
Oh, okay. Here's 7.
And ready to launch?
Yep, I'm ready.
Good.
Really ready.
Oh, we got more than 30 parts? Since when did we get more 30 parts?
Remember, you added an antenna, 2 antennas.
Oh, we added 2 antennas. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to remove this one. So let's just save. Let's do. This is gonna be V. It's gonna be Mark II. Save. And without it, so if we delete this, so let me go over here. And if we delete this, it's gonna be Mark I. There we go. And so Mark I is going to be less than 30 parts, right?
Yeah.
Enter and save and launch.
Look.
Yay! You get to see.
Yeah, I see it dark.
Mm-hmm.
Really dark. You see that? That's what.
All right, put on the brakes first. Oh, it looks like we left the door open. It's okay. We can close that, right?
That's good. That's easy.
Okay.
Right.
So we can see inside the interior display.
Yay.
I saw a little Kerbal right there. See that? Our little pilot. That's Royal.
Oh,
We named him.
good?
Yeah, and look, he
Oh,
has the blue spacesuit.
you look good, Roy.
Mhm.
Okay, and here we have. So we're gonna turn that off now.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to turn it on so you can see him?
And,
Do you want to see him like that, or do you want me to turn it off?
yeah, turn it off is fine.
Okay, never mind. I was asking him. Okay, so first we're gonna check. We're gonna check the flight maneuvers. So we're gonna check.
Yes. Check, check, check.
SAS only.
Check,
Okay,
check.
so we're gonna check first. Pitch. So this is the pitch. Oh, we didn't fix that. Okay, we gotta go back and fix that. Escape. Revert flight to space place hangar. It's okay.
We have to
It's okay. We gotta fix. We close the doors, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna mix this to go to 8, and this one go to 5. 4 is fine. Good. So let's save. Yep. Open. And then right here, jet. Oh, no. Cancel. This one. Load. And just to make sure it worked. Yep. And launching. Here it goes. Oh, I hope we have the right pilot. I don't know if we have the right pilot.
It's okay. We just always forget about things.
That's okay. We're going to revert. It's going to be quick. Space hangar. All right. Thank you for watching. We're going to stop this and start another one.